Oof, it's getting rough, guys. Even more rough than it has been. Stocks are crashing again today, and Palantir is down over 10%. We have to cover what the heck's going on here, the charts, the insider selling going on, plus more, of course, what I'm looking to do as well. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and you might as well snag up some free stocks on this red day. You might as well do it, guys. Use that link down below. Deposit at least $100 onto the Moomoo platform. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. Get this, guys. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you guys want 30 free stocks, you might as well do it. And you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I got the water for this video, and let's dive into it. So we are getting hit across the board. Like I said, every index right now, as you guys probably know, every index is down. We have the S&P down 2.2%. Same with the Russell. The NASDAQ is now down over 3%. And we have the Dow down 1.4% as the VIX is up almost, get ready for this, guys, 20%. The VIX is now at 26 points. And Palantir is holding above $80 by a thread, man. And this thing has been very volatile. I mean, very volatile. This thing was at $92 per share. It looks like in the aftermarket yesterday at one point, and now we're at $80. Talk about a swing. This thing is now down 13% pretty much from that $92 level. And on the 1 hour chart here, we covered how yesterday we were trying to break out. We were above the moving averages on this time frame for the first time in a couple of weeks. And well, it was a fake out. It was a clear fake out. Now we're back under both moving averages, and guys, we're pushing for the support here, which is at about $78 to $80 per share, right? $78.50, we held it. It looks like that was on last Friday. Yeah, last Friday. Then we held $80 here just 2 days ago on Tuesday. Now we're testing it again. And guys, if this thing falls through $78 to $80, we're testing it now. We could be slipping a lot further here. Maybe not a lot further, but do you all remember how we talked about this window right here? Let me draw this out to give you guys an idea. This is where we could be trading potentially in this window right here with $68-$70 as support. And resistance is at about $82-ish to $83. So I guess we're already in this trading window now that we're under $82. But this is where we're at. This is where we're at now, guys. The fact that now that we're seeing this drop under 82, 83, we're trading in this window. And especially if we break, like I said, $78, $79, $78.50. If we break under that, this could be going down maybe to $68, $70 in the short term. That was support during this time period here. That was all of December pretty much, right? And $68, $70, that was resistance in the middle of November as we wrapped up November as well. So that is where we could be going potentially, right? Towards the bottom of this channel here. And let me show you what is probably contributing to this sell-off. Of course, the overall stock market selling off is definitely contributing to Palantir falling, but we're also seeing some selling from Alex Karp, some other big, names in the company, which we knew Alex Karp was going to sell. We covered this, his new trading plan under 10b5-1 over, I think, throughout through September. He's planning on selling. I forget exactly the dollar value, but he's planning on selling a lot here, guys. A good amount of stock, and he's doing it. He's doing it already. Let's cover some of these insider sales. By the way, guys, run the likes up. I appreciate all of your support Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and check out my second channel, Stas Talks Money. That is also linked down below. Different type of content on Stas Talks Money, so feel free to go subscribe there as well. So Alex Karp, he sold. Let's see. Most recently, he reduced his position, and I know it's hard to read this, but bear with me. He reduced it by 6%. He sold, let's see, 432,000 shares at a price of $103 per share. That was, it looks like about a week or two ago. He got out of 6%. That was a $45 million move, and the timing was great. Obviously, it's under 10B, the trading rule, 10B 5-1, but he sold at 103.01 here, guys, and clearly we're at $80 now. We're about to fall through 80, it looks like. So that was pretty good timing. Obviously he's not, whatever. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, he sold now he still has 6.4 million shares, but he sold 430,000 to be exact, shares there. And let's see, there's a lot of other moves here as well. We have, it looks like Shyam Sankar, they ended up exercising some options. It looks like they sold some shares. Looks like Andrew Cohen, wow, he sold, it looks like here, all of his position. Oh my God, 700,000 shares almost, roughly $70 million. Looks like that was a sale plus options exercise. Looks like here, who else? Looks like Heather Planishek. She sold out of about 4% of her position. That was a sale of 22,000 shares at $103 per share. $2.3 million move. She still owns about 500,000 shares, so she's still in a big part of her position, obviously. And Alexander Moore also sold out 20,000 shares. That was the most recent one. It looks like it was filed yesterday. The trade was on the 3rd, though. So he sold out, looks like 20,000 shares. Like I said, about 1% of his position, not much. It was a $1.7 million move there at $87 per share. So those are the most recent sales, and expect more sales, guys, especially from Karp. I mean, we saw it. He's going to be selling through September. At least that's what the plan is right now, and that's for sure putting more downwards pressure on the stock. It's kind of like a downtrend on steroids, right? We're getting insiders selling out here, not all of their position, obviously, but they're dumping shares on the market, and the entire market's down as well. All the indexes are down as well. So it's a sell-off on steroids. I don't know how else to say it, but man, we're down 10%. Insane. PLTR is it's getting squashed. And like I said, we might be slipping further to $70, $68, and this is where I'm looking to add more personally. So for me, guys, I've been in this stock since $20. You know that. A lot of you know that. Maybe not. I don't know, but I've mentioned it many times. And I did sell out of 20% of my position in my one account at $123. No joke. I made a video. I posted screenshots on it whenever that was, like 2 weeks ago at this point. We timed it beautifully, and I told you guys I'm looking to buy back those shares on the pullback. Little did I know the pullback was going to happen literally the day after I sold. I mean, talk about timing. Insane. So we got the pullback, and it's been pulling back since, and I haven't bought the shares back, but I'm thinking about it. If, again, big if, we get down towards the lower 70s, that's where I'm looking to buy them back. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts about that in the comments. And, this is the type of market where you got to be emotionally in control of your portfolio, whether you're trading, investing. This is the type of market where if you're a novice, you're just getting into stocks, you're like, oh my God, this is insane, I'm just going to sell out. You got to avoid that. This is the market that can make you think irrationally, do stupid crap, let's be honest. And you got to avoid that. This is a time where money is made. If you have a long-term mentality, not just for Palantir, but just in general, we're talking here, right? So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube, guys, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you deposit at least $100 onto the platform, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. They up the ante, you get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. The deal runs out here in a couple of weeks, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.